So is my grid bot working? Well, we had a support ticket from this user who said that there was a problem with his grid bot and it's not actually trading. So let's go and have a look at the settings. So if we click on this hamburger menu here, and what we want to do is open the JB grid chart. So as you can see on the screen here, we've got a chart with some squiggly lines going up and down, and we've actually can see the prices down the right hand side here. Now, if we switch this over to the grid, we can actually see that the price is moving in the bottom part of the grid. So let's analyze this in a bit more detail. So if we look at the left here, we can see clearly when the bot started. And you'll see that there's a green line and a red line that goes horizontal across the screen. That's the green line, which is a buy trigger point, and the red line would be a sell trigger point. And then if we look slightly above here, you could see that there's another horizontal line that's green and another horizontal line that's red. Both of those indicating a buy or sell trigger point. Now, if we look at the actual price movement of the chart, you'll see that there's two moving lines. You've got a green line and you've got a red line. The green line indicates the actual buy price that if you were buying right now out of the liquidity pools for this particular trading pair. And the red line is the price that you could sell the token, in this case XRP, inside the liquidity pools. You'll notice that the red line is always lower than the green line, and that's because it's very rare that you can buy a token and sell it immediately for a profit. So what we need to do is, because this bot has not done any buys at the moment, we need to pay attention to this green line. So if we follow this along, you can see that this green price line almost touches the green horizontal line. So it needs to touch or pass that green horizontal line to trigger a buy. So if we move along a little bit further, you can see on this chart here, at no point does the price green moving line touch or cross over the horizontal trigger point on the grid. So there's nothing wrong with this bot. As you can see now, it's just approaching. So it's almost touching that green line, and that could be a trigger point for the bot to buy. The bot needs confirmation that that is the actual price movement and it's not going to just switch back round and turn round. So looking at this bot, you can clearly see that there's nothing wrong with the bot. It hasn't passed any of the trigger points. So it's important to understand what those lines all represent. So just to recap, the horizontal line that goes red across would be a trigger sell point. The green horizontal lines would be the trigger point for a buy. And the actual squiggly lines that you see going across the screen here, the squiggly green line is the actual buy price inside the liquidity pool at that moment in time. And the red squiggly line is the actual sell price in the liquidity pool at that point in time.
Create your own trading robot. Below this video, you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to Jonny Blockchain. You can either use it with a MetaMask wallet and PancakeSwap, or you can set it up with Binance.com and Binance US. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your MetaMask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register. It's going to bring you here. Pop your name, your email address, password, put some ticks in these boxes. Click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year, and you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.